Hey subscribers, this is Apple. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I will be showing you another two sets of product from RYX Skin Charity guys. So if nakita nyo yung previous vlog ko guys, I was using and I was revealing my skincare and it's from RYX Skin Charity. So in today's video, I will be opening this package from Miss Riva Manuales guys. Siya yung seller from Vancouver. Yeah, I am here in British Columbia but I live here in Surrey. So nasa Vancouver siya. If kukunin ko doon, it will take like 30 minutes drive. And so pinaship ko na lang. So I ordered two sets of RYX Skin Charity product. And if you guys are interested in this kind of content, so please stay tuned. So let's open guys, and dumating pala to last week pa pero I did not open it kasi I want to film it while opening. Oh, at saka I don't have time because I am working too. So here it is guys. I will be linking down below the prices of these products. So, oh, may freebie na naman siya. Every time na nag-order ako sa kanya, guys, mayroon siyang pa-freebie. So, oh, did I order sunblock? Or is it included? Oh, is it included in Hydra Glow? I forgot now what I ordered. So, first, I will be tackling about, diba last vlog ko guys about skincare, I told you na I used the first set of product from RYX, yung Beyouthiful Starter Kit. So, it is a rejuvenating set, pero milder siya na rejuvenating set. So, what is rejuvenating set? What is rejuvenating set? So, I know guys, not all of us know about what is rejuvenating set. So, I will read what is rejuvenating set. So, it is a skincare set comprised of a soap, or the facial cleanser, toner, day cream with SPF, and a night cream with peeling properties. So as the name implies, it is meant to rejuvenate or renew the skin by assisting or accelerating its exfoliation process. Because as far as I know guys, our skin regenerate every 27 days. So magiging ano na yung skin natin guys, dull looking, tas may mga butlig-butlig, tas parang basta dryness siya guys, walang ka-glow-glow. So, here are the rejuvenating set product which can help us regenerate our skin fast. That's why inuna kong gamitin yung Beyouthiful Starter Kit rejuvenating set. After that, I use a Poreless skin set. So, and now, after nakapahinga yung skin ko guys, babalik na naman ako sa rejuvenating set. So, the Beyouthiful Starter Kit guys is very mild lang na rejuvenating set. So, I wanna try the more stronger rejuvenating set. So, I will try this RYX Skin Sincerity Clear Bomb Advanced Exfoliating Kit. So, advanced. So, I'm excited to use about this guys. So, here's the product. Very cute kasi I like the color. And I hear a lot of good reviews about this product. So this is what is the inside of the box guys. So, this is the... So, kakaiba siya sa nagamit kong ibang set guys, yung dalawang set. Kasi yung mga facial cleanser doon is liquidy or gel type, but this one is a bar soap. So, para siyang yung Kojic bar soap. So, this is the RYX Skin Charity Clear Bomb Advanced Exfoliating Soap. So, nakikita ko guys sa mga nagre-review nito, hinahati nila to into pieces para hindi siya mabilis maubos kasi madaling matunaw to. So, it says here, time to raise the bar. This multitasking enzyme bar is designed to effectively cleanse while gently removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. So yun yung trabaho ng rejuvenating set guys. Aalisin niya yung mga dead skin cells sa ating skin. So, deep yet gentle cleansing. So, nakakalinis siya deeply but in a gentle way. So, it is advanced skin nourishment, rejuvenates and tightens skin. So, pag ito, mga ganito, sagi yung puffy yung eyes ko. So, natatighten daw niya. Nakaka-help daw siya mag-tighten ng skin. And it can cause skin lightening and brightening. So, yun yung hinahanap natin, guys. Yung mag-glow yung face natin. So, directions. Lather between hands with water. Apply generously to face and body. Oh, so pwede pala to sa body din, guys. And pat dry, gentle enough for daily use. So, diba, ano na to siya, yung parang advanced exfoliating soap. So, natatanggal na talaga yung first layer ng skin mo nito. So, if you dry it with your towel, guys, padamp-damp ka lang. Gentle, be gentle. Para hindi sugatan yung face mo. So, the next one, guys, is the toner. So, this is the toner. So, Clear Balm Advanced Exfoliating Toner. So, this powerhouse toner purifies your skin by removing bad bacteria that could potentially cause breakouts, and it will gently slough off dead skin and promote healthy skin cell regeneration. This also targets dark spots, fine lines, and uneven skin tones, so your complexion glows more and appears smoother and softer. So, grabe talaga, guys, kasi from the soap, nakakaano na siya, na nakapeel off. And then, yung toner din, nakaka-peel off. So, I am expecting like todo yung peeling ko nito, Beyouthiful Starter Kit. So, micro-peeling lang ako nun. This is the night cream, guys. It says here, after cleansing and toning, apply a thin layer to clean skin before going to bed. No need to rinse. So, very thin layer lang, guys. Hindi kagaya nung Poreless skin set, guys, na apply a generous amount. So, and there is precaution. A patch test is recommended prior to use. Store in a cool, dry place not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. So, magpa-patch test tayo, guys. And the perfect area for patch test is the neck, the side of the neck under your ear. So, this one, guys. Pa-patch test tayo nito. And I will check it after 15 minutes, guys. Kung may allergic reaction ba, like redness, itchiness, or burning or stinging sensation. Is it good to use rejuvenating set, guys? So, it is okay to use rejuvenating set as long as it is approved by the FDA and magpa-patch test ka to know if you are allergic to the product. So, the next that I order in RYX, guys, is so, after akong mag-clear balm, let's say I will use this for a month or until it will be finished, I will use the Hydra Glow, guys. Ito, mas parang expensive to siya sa mga set na nabili ko. Ito yung pinaka-expensive. So, I will be putting the price here, guys. So, ito yung i-maintenance ko sa skin ko, guys. Ito yung skincare ko after my Clear Balm exfoliating set. So, this is the Hydra Glow Foam Cleanser. Wait, where is the... Yeah. So, ang cute ng packaging nila, guys. Very girly. I like the packaging and I like the color. So, the first is, this is the cleanser, guys. It has 160 ml of product. So, this formula lathers on with a fine texture and then bubbles into luxurious cleansing foam to gently dissolve impurities and purify the skin. An ultra hydrating facial cleanser that deeply cleanses the skin without disturbing the pH balance or irritating the skin barrier function. So, I love this. Leaving your skin fresh, smooth, and balanced. So, direction. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of the foam into palm and smooth over the face in circular movements. Rinse off thoroughly with water. I like this, guys, kasi ano pala to? Foam. I like foam. So, pump. Yeah, pump. So, pump, tas magpo-foam siya. So, I will show you how I use this, guys. So, this one is the Hydra Glow Toner. Also, I will not open this kasi hindi ko pa naman siya gagamitin after nang maubos yung clear balm. Removes the dust and impurities that can still be lingering after washing with cleanser. So, yung mga hindi natatanggal nito, tatanggalin ng toner. It penetrates deep down into the pores and prevents the buildup of oil and dirt, which will result in minimized pore sizes that will give your skin a healthier and brighter appearance. So, kaya nga Hydra Glow yung name niya. So, direction: after cleansing in the AM and PM, dispense formula into palms and gently press. So, ganyan guys, wag na sa cotton, dito na diretso sa palm or sa kamay mo, tas gently pat it into your face. And can also be applied with a cotton pad during the day, follow with RYX sun shield. So, it's up to you guys if i-direct nyo siya sa hands nyo bago nyo ilagay sa face. Kung gamitin nyo lang yung kamay nyo or gagamit kayo ng cotton. But if you use the cotton, yung product kasi maa-absorb ng cotton. So, the Hydra Glow Serum. So, serum pala to. And a lightweight, fast-absorbing serum combines effective formula that works instantly to reveal noticeably clearer, healthier, and glowing skin. So, matry natin to kung mag-glow ba yung skin natin dyan. At eto yung RYX Skin Sincerity Sun Shield. So, eto, the same to sa sun shield nung Beyouthiful Starter Kit, guys. Ganito yung sun shield nila. So, may SPF 60 siya. Whereas, yung Clear Balm is SPF 30 lang. So, and it has 20 ml of product inside. So, this is a lightweight gel cream sunscreen that dries matte. So, gusto ko to kasi matte yung finish niya. So, hindi oily looking yung skin natin, kundi glowy. So, that's it for my unboxing, guys. And, i-open natin yung binigay niyang freebie. May freebie siyang binigay. Thank you, Miss Riva Manuales. So, this is the Skin Can Tell. Skin Can Tell. Let your skin speak for you. Yeah. So, relief and repair lotion. Relieves stress and muscle aches. Fights body acne problems. Moisturizes skin. Ano ba to? Para to. How to use. Gently massage into skin until absorbed. Can also be used during massage or post-workout treatment. Great for everyday use. So sa face pa rin to. Experience the refreshing feeling of rest and relaxation with Skin Can Tell's Relief and Repair Lotion. Infused with a unique blend of camphor, dragon's blood, and witch hazel extracts, you can tell all the benefits. Moisturizes skin and targets hyperpigmentation and body acne. Helps with muscle aches, relieves stress, and eases colds and nasal congestion. So yeah, pwede ko din siguro itong gamitin sa hands or sa back if you have back acne. Very ano siya. Yung amoy niya, guys, very relaxing. Yung parang mga essential oil yung amoy niya. So, stay tuned, guys, for my review for my Clear Balm exfoliating set. I will be vlogging my everyday use for this product, guys. So, watch out. Well, this is all for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy this kind of video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts and suggestion below. And subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!